I'm here in Los Angeles, and last Wednesday, our mayor, Eric Garcetti, suggested that everybody wear a mask or a bandana when they go out in public to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So Thursday, on my live video, I decided I would share with you guys just a few simple techniques of folding this bandana, because when I searched online, every single video involved sewing or crafting, and I'm just gonna keep it real and say, not gonna happen. The first one is super simple. You just take it and you tie it over your ponytail and you double knot, you 1 and 2, okay? Any guys or girls that have long hair, the ponytail is key, and you're gonna finish this look because you're Super Cali fly with some sunglasses, okay? Talking with a bandana is gonna be something to get used to. Whew, so claustrophobic. This look really reminds me of like the Old West, like, you know, cowboys keeping the dust from getting in their faces. Move your hair aside if you've got it, and you're going to tie at the base of your neck. 1, 2. This one, your little tie is a little longer, so you can always tuck it in, just like that. And finish it with your glasses. Okay, so this is number 2. It really just depends on your preference. If you tie above the ponytail, it puts a little more pressure on your mouth. If you tie below, the pressure is more on your nose. So it just depends on your personal preference. The third technique, you fold this. So you fold this up like that. You fold it once more. And then this one's nice because it creates more of a mask shape. And again, you just tie it above, nice and tight. So here you have the third. It's more of a mask shape. It will protect your face from getting touched by your hands. The fourth and final one that I'm gonna show you, it's the same fold. And again, you go below your ponytail, nice and tight. You might want to tuck in the ends so they don't stick out. Apparently this is the new look of 2020. Finish your look with some shades and you're good to go. If you're gonna have to cover your mouth, you can do it in style.